Hi guys, it's Nelicious here again. Thanks for stopping by on my channel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that lives in Australia. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, click on the red button and subscribe. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to show me love. I love you guys so much. On this video, I'll be showing you how to make your dry pepper red chilies at home without not spending too much at the shopping mall or in the market. Pepper is one of the most used ingredients in our kitchen. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, click on that red button. It's for free. I was about going to the garden to harvest the peppers. Then I decided to take you guys along with me because we're already families. This pepper is two sides, the other side is too hot. There are some recipes you need to prepare with a very hot chili, something like pepper soup, isiewu, and some other local delicacy. And there are some other recipes that you just need to prepare with a mild chili that is not too hot. If you're not comfortable plucking chilies with your bare hands, don't forget to put on a kitchen glove or any glove of your choice before plucking the chilies. But at this point, I'm just doing it like that. And after plucking the chilies, I'll make sure I wash my hands very well because it's going to be a disaster if I mistakenly touch my face. So don't forget to wash your hands very well after plucking the chilies, and if you still feel a little bit hot in your hands, just apply red oil or any cooking oil and leave it there for a few minutes before rinsing it off with soap and water. That will help to reduce the hotness of the chilies in your hands. I don't know about your area, but in this part of the world, pepper chilies is a little bit expensive at the shopping mall, so that's why most times I prefer to grow them in my garden. Like that I can always have them, but sometimes it makes me to have excess chili, nyafu, like pepper everywhere go just full for pepper. And when it's in that situation, I'll just harvest it and process it and dry it for later use. Anytime I'm harvesting something from this my mini garden, I always feel happy because it makes me feel like, oh my god, I did a good job. The pepper did so well that even my neighbors, sometimes they'll just come and grab handful and they'll just come and grab what they need. Sometimes I even like pluck it and give to some people that I don't even know. That is to show you how much well the pepper did. Like, it makes me feel happy that I can share something with somebody, no matter how little it is. If you like this content, please click on the red button to subscribe to my channel, and it's for free. Don't forget to on the notification bell, put it on all so you would always get notified. Look at that long red chili and the green one there. I'll use that to make green chili sauce later. The thing with growing and processing your own dry pepper is so good because you'll be sure that there is no color inside it. Some of those market women in the market, when they're processing the dry pepper, they do used to add some colors inside it to make it to look very reddish with less chili and hotness inside it. I'm almost done plucking all the peppers that we'll use for today. You can notice that some of them are still green in colors. They've not ripened yet. I'll just pick few of the red ones and we're good to go and dry them up. Now, this is the quantity that I'll be using to make this dried pepper chili. Some people call it pepper, most people call it red chili or powdered pepper, whatever you call it, but we're gonna make it dry powdered pepper. So I'll transfer all this chili. I've washed it and removed all the green stalks at the edge of it. I just placed the oven baking paper inside this carton paper, and I'm transferring this red nicely washed and cleaned pepper inside it. Make sure I spread it very well. If you have something bigger than this, it's always good to give it enough space so they will be able to dry very well. But because I haven't got anything bigger than this big carton pepper, that's why I just spread it like this on top of each other. It does not really matter. What matters is that at the end of the time, it's still gonna dry up very well. I always prefer to let this fresh pepper dry up in a natural way, except when I'm in a hurry, then I can use the hydrator to dry it up. But I'm gonna let this sit here for like few weeks until it's very dry.
One eternity later.
After a few weeks later, the pepper is dried. I'll be blending it up little by little because the blender is small. If you have a bigger blender, you may just have to transfer everything at once and blend it. Blending this dry pepper in a large quantity, you really need to be patient because you have to wait for it to blend very smooth in a powder form. Like you have to wait for it to blend very well. We don't want any seed inside it. You can see how smooth it's looking, and I'm transferring it into this my pepper jar. Don't forget to open your windows when you are blending or transferring this blended pepper into a jar because it's gonna make you to sneeze, but that's normal. Don't worry, just keep on blending it until you're done. That's the pepper inside the jar. That one is almost filled up, so I'm just going to close the lid and put it inside my cupboard. So I'm going to blend the remaining dry pepper off camera until I'm done blending it. It's almost finished, and don't forget to put salt in your mouth if the pepper mistakenly gets into your eyes. And make sure you wash your face if the pepper mistakenly touch your face. And if you like my content and you've not subscribed to my channel, please just click on that red button and support me by subscribing to my channel. It's for free. That is the blended dried pepper. You can see how red it's looking and how smooth it is. Like, this pepper is so hot. You know, the good thing about blending it by yourself and drying it is that I'm sure what's inside it, I'm sure there is no color or no any artificial coloring inside it. It's all pure and organic. And our homemade dried pepper is ready to be used for any delicacy of your choice, like a little bit of it in indomie, a little bit of it in your jollof rice if you wish to, and a little bit of it in most of your soup, especially ogbono soup or okra soup would not be bad. And if you're buying this pepper in the market, always taste it with your tongue, just a little pinch of it on your tongue to see how hot it is, because most of those market people, they used to add things to their pepper. You want to be sure what you're cooking with before buying it. I still got a lot that I'm still gonna blend in few days time. Those ones is not properly dried. It's gonna be dried in few days time, then I'll blend it again. After blending all your dry pepper, please, no matter how busy you are, make sure you clean your working space with water and soap. Clean it very well, especially if you've got little kids around the house, because a little bit of this pepper can make someone go gaga. Like, just small way you touch for your mouth or your face, if you make person crease, I beg. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love and appreciate your time, and I will see ya on my next video. Bye bye. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, don't go without clicking. See ya.